Hello Year 3, this is your first grammar and punctuation activity for week 6 of your online learning. Today we're going to be looking at verbs. And the learning objective is to understand the use of verbs and to be able to use them in sentences. So we have a friend with us, okay, a little bit shy, but she's promised to act out some verbs for us. So come on, don't be shy. This is Brenda, the bee. Hello. Okay. Now Brenda is going to play the game we've played in class before called charades. She's going to act out some verbs for us and we're going to guess what they are. Firstly though, what is a verb? Who thinks they know the answer at home? If you said a verb is an action word or a doing word, you are correct. A sentence must have a verb in, a doing word or an action word, to make sense. The verbs tell us what someone is doing. So Brenda, are you ready to act out some verbs for us? Excellent. Here's the first one. What is Brenda doing? Was that walking? Excellent. Brenda was walking. Let's see if you can show us another one. Was that flying? Excellent. Can we do one more? Okay. What was that one? Was it hopping? No. Can you do it again? I know. Jumping. Excellent. Okay, Brenda, thank you for that. Go and make some honey and we'll see you soon. Let's look at the worksheet now. So on the worksheet, we have a few activities. Task 1 says you need to put a ring around the verbs in these sentences. So read the sentences out loud. Think to yourself, which is the action or doing word? And then when you're happy, put a ring around it. Let's do number 1. The frog hopped into the pond. The frog hopped into the pond. Which is the doing word? What is the frog doing? What's the action word? I think it is hopped. Did you agree? Well done if you did. Okay, then go through the others and find the action words. In task 2, you need to choose the correct verb from this list of verbs on the side. Mowed, chewed, galloped, swam, washed, kicked, splashed, painted. And you need to write down the correct verb in the space for each sentence. Should we do the first one together? Go on then. The artist blank a picture. The artist mowed a picture? No, the artist chewed, galloped, swam, washed, kicked, painted, isn't it? Yeah. The artist painted a picture. So you'd put a line through the one you've chosen. Write it down and move on to the next one. Great. Task 3, again, put a ring around the verbs. Notice it's plural this time, not just one, the verbs in this passage. So the passage is, Sam heard a noise. He climbed out of bed and looked around the room. He saw no one. Then he heard it again. Sam opened the door. He walked onto the landing. Suddenly he saw the problem. Rosie the cat had knocked over a plant pot. Okay, so there are lots of verbs there. You need to circle each one. So I'll help you with the first one. Sam heard a noise. Which is the doing? What's he doing? Well, he heard. Yeah, the act of hearing. So there's the first verb. Okay, enjoy the task. And me or Brenda and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.